Hey guys, my name's Alan LaRose. I'm here at MarineMax Cocoa, and I'm aboard a brand new 2023 Scout 175 Dorado. It's an awesome boat, great for the family, plenty of seating, easy to maneuver around, and just a lot of fun for a boat. Taking a look at it, we've got a nice bow rail up here in the front of the boat. We have separate anchor locker right here. Pop-up cleat front, tie it off. LED nav lights on the bow. As you come down the side of the boat, follow the Scout lines. It does have nice bimini top, stainless fittings. Here in the transom, swim platform, telescoping ladder, nice grab rail. This boat is powered with the Mercury 115 command thrust motor. It's got a bigger prop on it, so be able to push the weight, be able to fill the boat up with all 6 passengers, their gear, get up on plane, have a great day. It does have hydraulic steering as well. So come on into the boat. Plenty of seating. We've got 2 jump seats back here in the back with backrests. We've got our 2 captain's chairs sitting right here. They do swivel maneuver, slide forward and aft. Just tilt steering wheel here. Fusion stereo. Some nice storage underneath the helm. Passenger side, we got some cup holders. Got a little glove box here. Nice grab rails, be able to walk through, keeping it nice and safe. As you saw me earlier, sitting up here in the bow of the boat, we've got these nice big loungers and plenty of storage in both of these. Use them as a cooler if you'd like. There's gaskets on them. Up here in the bow, got a nice big fish box storage compartment, more storage there, with our stern light for the back of the boat as well, for those evening cruises. Well, that's it, guys. My name is Alan LaRose here at MarineMax Cocoa. We are on the Scout 175 Dorado. Give us a call, 321-636-3142. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks, bye.